So we have a Dodge Avenger here, all keys lost. We're gonna try to lead sheath the door to get the cuts. That way we can cut the key and program. There you go. Then we just gotta read the cuts. Okay, so we have our key. We're gonna go ahead and put the key cuts. Alright. Key's good to go. I already had tested this, that's why I got the hood up since it's dead on battery. But ignition is good. Let's go ahead and plug in our jumper pack and go ahead and plug the programmer. Alright, just finished programming. Sounding rough, but we got her up.